Shensia.
Me not tell you figure your man bun. You still young so you have to have fun. When you see the boy take your food.
Me well want to see you.
Yeah, people, a lot of people been asking and wondering. Yeah, a lot of people I wonder if this new Shensia song, if it's a splice. You don't know the whole controversy surrounding Lodi the first time. You see me, people? So right now a whole heap of people say, I wonder if Shensia look a quick boss. I wonder if Romy splice up something and put Shensia upon it again. But no need to wonder or make any crazy assumptions, cause from Vybz Kartel himself take it to him Instagram and made a post saying, Shensia, you leak it. It's no longer a secret. Yeah man, the remix out now. From Vybz Kartel said that on him page, you know, so the thing official people, business and everything supposed to deal with the right way, see me? Yeah man, so you can go easy on Shensia now man, the thing official and I don't know bandulo business, I don't know go around thing or nothing. Yeah man, so this is an official release, it's just that it was a secret and Shensia reveal it, so it out there now, so it's no longer a secret, as we Vybz Kartel say. And you don't know them man they really put Shensia up on the forefront, the real way in a dance hall. Yeah man, and you can't deny that, that are just facts though. I think one of the main reasons why enough people are say, yo, Shensia just a look a bus off a Vybz Kartel or she just splice off piece of the man verse or something. You know, the only reason why people are say that, you know, because I see even one of my subscribers, them I say, them not hear Shensia big up Vybz Kartel and none of her song them are mention nothing about Vybz Kartel, but all of a sudden, you see me? So people, I want to comment below and tell me, you feel Shensia owe Vybz Kartel nothing? You feel Shensia should not pay homage to Vybz Kartel for her career? You comment below and tell me what you think, yeah people. Yeah man, I don't know just facts, you see me? Yeah, and just facts we deal with around here, so I'm out.
A long time me a wait and a pray yo. Me body well appealing more than the one inna the court world boss. When I get it a me set it a me pum pum lucky so it a go free yo. Back up now, feel me round so.